안녕하세요 everyone. 한글리시 쌤입니다. 오늘은 초보 3권 챕터 12 두 번째 수업 부탁, favor or ask 계속할 거예요. Today we'll continue Beginners Volume 3 Chapter 12 부탁, favor or ask 그럼 시작해요. Let's go! 오늘은 단어 많이 없어요. Today we don't have that many vocabularies, but we have more useful expressions. 그럼 단어 먼저 봐요. Let's look at vocabs first. Injure, 다치다, 다치다. 손을 다쳤어요. I injured my hand. Broke, 고장나다, 고장나다. I guess it should have been break. 라디오가 고장났어요. The radio is broken. Not knowing. 모르다. 모르다. 한국어를 잘 몰라요. I don't know Korean well. Method or way. 방법. 방법. 불고기 요리하는 방법이 뭐예요? 불고기 요리하는 방법. 불고기 cooking way, 불고기 cooking method. 이 뭐예요? What is it? So what's the way cooking 불고기? Suddenly. 갑자기. 갑자기. This one we will talk about in the next slide. Appear. 생기다. 생기다. 일이 생겼어요. So, although it says stuff appeared, that means some stuff you need to do has appeared. So, something's up. 좋아요. 그럼 오늘의 유용한 표현 같이 봐요. Let's look at useful expressions today. So, these are the situations that you might need to ask someone's help or need to ask a favor. 첫 번째, first, 팔을 다치다. 팔을 다쳐요. Injure arm. 혼자 하기 힘들다. 혼자 하기 힘들어요. Tough to do alone. 핸드폰이 고장나다. 핸드폰이 고장났어요. Cell phone is broken. It's not physically broken. It means it's not working. 인터넷이 잘 안 되다. 인터넷이 잘 안 돼요. The internet doesn't work well. 사용 방법을 잘 모르다. 사용 방법을 잘 몰라요. I don't know how to use. 갑자기 일이 생기다. 갑자기. From the previous slide we skipped, it's suddenly. 갑자기 일이 생겼어요. 일이 생기다 was got things to do. Things appeared. Suddenly, I got things to do. 어떻게 하는지 모르다. 어떻게 하는지 몰라요. I don't know how to do. 좋아요. 그럼 다음으로 가요. 오늘의 문법. Today's grammar pattern. Verb or adjective. 은데 or 는데. 은데 or 는데. So, 은데 or 는데 is short form of 그런데, which you guys should know already. 그런데 means background for the following. So, whatever you say up to 그런데 is the background information for whatever you're saying after. The difference between 은데, 는데, and 그런데 is 그런데 is placed in between the full sentences. Like you have to have a complete sentence, then 그런데, and another complete sentence. However, 은데 or 는데, you do not need to end the sentence. 그럼 examples 같이 봐요. Let's see some examples. 이 프린터 사용 방법을 모르는데. So 이 printer, this printer, 사용 방법, 사용, use, 방법, way, method 을 모르는데. So I don't know how to use this printer. 좀 가르쳐 줄래요? Will you teach me? Can you teach me? So here is 는데. So if you use 그런데 instead, it would have been 이 프린터 사용 방법을 몰라요. Complete the sentence first. Then 그런데 좀 가르쳐 줄래요? So that's how 그런데 is used, and this is 은데 or 는데. A lot of my students, they kind of understand 그런데 as but. So it could work as a but for many cases. However, there are words for but, 하지만, right? 은데, 는데, or 그런데, it's a little bit different. It depends on the situation, because anything you say up to 그런데 or 은데, 는데, it's the background information for whatever you're saying after. So not necessarily just for but. It could be so, it could be and. Depending on if whatever you're saying after is conflicting the previous, or it's continuing, or it's linked. I hope this clears out, and let's continue. 제가 지금 출장을 가야 하는데. 제가 지금 I now 출장을 가야 하는데 should go on a business trip, and 는데 here, so up to here, it's the background information. 민수 씨에게 이것 좀 전해 줄래요? To Mr. 민수, this 전해 줄래요? Can you please send for me? Right? So this whole sentence means I should go on a business trip now. Can you please send this to Mr. Minsu? So it's not but. If you put a word for it, probably you might throw so in there. I need to go on a business trip right now, so can you please send this to Mr. Minsu? And 인터넷이 지금 안 되는데. The internet doesn't work now. This is the background information because of 는데. 이 이메일 좀 보내줄래요? 보내줄래요? Can you send for me? Which one? 이 email. This email. So, can you please send this email for me? 어때요? 이해했어요? 은데, 는데 is literally a short form of 그런데. And 그런데 is not necessarily but. For those who understand 그런데 as a but, it covers but part, but ultimately 그런데 or 은데, 는데 mean that it's the background information for whatever you're saying after. 좋아요. 그럼 이제 연습하러 가요. This food is so delicious. Can you please cook more? 이 음식이 아주 맛있는데 더 요리해 줄래요? 이 음식이 아주 맛있는데 더 요리해 줄래요? My cell is broken. Can you please call? 제 휴대폰이 고장 났는데 전화해 줄래요? 제 휴대폰이 고장 났는데 전화해 줄래요? The internet isn't working. Can you please fix it? 인터넷이 안 되는데 고쳐 줄래요? 인터넷이 안 되는데 고쳐줄래요? I suddenly got things to do. Can you please receive my parcel? 갑자기 일이 생겼는데 제 우편물 좀 받아줄래요? 갑자기 일이 생겼는데 제 우편물 받아줄래요? 좋아요. I hope you got them all right. 그럼 오늘은 은데 or 는데 배웠어요. 은데 or 는데 is a short form of 그런데 and it's indicating whatever up to 은데 or 는데 is the background information for the following. 그럼 for review, let's ask a favor with the giving a reason using 은데 or 는데. 좋아요. 오늘도 저와 한국어를 공부해서 고마워요. Thank you for studying Korean with me today. 이 레슨이 좋으면 like하고 subscribe 해주세요. If you like this lesson, please like and subscribe. 그럼 다음 레슨에서 봐요. I'll see you in the next lesson. 안녕히 계세요.